Guys, it's a snow day. We are snowed in. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe that a couple days we paid to go ride down. We went snow tubing on man-made snow. And here we have a snow day. I mean, maybe getting possibly 2 snow days. And we have real snow. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm going to show you. It's a lot of snow. It's like over 10 inches of snow right now. And it's still snowing and it's after 3. And it started like early this morning, like after 1. It's a lot of snow. Check that out, guys. They already plowed the roadway. Look at the snow. Look at that snow. Look at that snow. Shawn already shoveled the driveway. And he already scraped the snow off his car. But look, it's filling up back. So it's a lot of snow. And I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, look at that. It's a lot of snow. Look at the inches. It's a lot of snow. Look at the backyard. The backyard, it's winter wonderland, guys. Woo! Look at snow.
Make a snow angel.
A snow angel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? 1.
Wow. That is big. That's a big angel. That's a big old snow angel.
Wow! Snow angel. The snow is too dry to make like a snowball.
No, you just have to.
Huh?
You just have to put it all together.
When you put it, it's still. Let's have a snowball fight.
That's not a fight, that's a play. All right. Where's the bird?
Tadri's going for a walk in the woods, guys. Winter Wonderland. Winter Wonderland. It's a lot of snow. Walk in the wood, guys. There's a wooded area behind our house, and there's a creek back there, and it's very beautiful around there. So Tadris likes to go there by herself, and she has a little secret place there. She called her little secret place in the woods. As you can see, the ground is all covered with snow. It's very beautiful. And look at the creek. You can see that it's very icy. I think it's frozen, but it's so beautiful. The ground is all covered with snow. It is awesome. It's like a winter wonderland. I love it there. She loves it, and she likes to go there to hang out sometimes in the winter, in the springtime, in the summertime. It's so beautiful. Guys, the snow is still coming down. I think it should stop snowing tonight at 8 based on my app, my weather app. So we're getting more snow, but it's fun though. The snow is always fun. Okay guys, keep watching. Thank you for watching this video. Maybe tomorrow we'll make a snowman when the snow is not so powdery.